Flexible ductwork getting all crushed or kinked up is a total airflow killer, and it can mess with your home's heating and cooling big time. So, like when your flexible ducts get squished or bent weird, the air just can't move right, and that means your place won't heat or cool like it's supposed to. First up, always check for any tight bends in the ductwork, because those sharp turns can totally choke the airflow. If you spot any kinks, try to gently straighten them out, or, better yet, reposition the duct so it runs more smoothly without crazy twists. Also, avoid placing heavy stuff on top of the ducts. Those weights will crush them and slow air down. When installing, use proper hangers or straps to keep the ducts supported and prevent sagging that leads to kinks. Make sure the ducts aren't rubbing against anything sharp, which could wear holes and cause leaks that kill efficiency. If the duct is super messed up or damaged, just swap it out for a new one instead of trying to fix a crushed section that saves a ton of hassle later. Lastly, keep an eye on your HVAC system every few months to catch these problems early before they turn into bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes with flexible ductwork crushed or kinked reducing airflow is ignoring the problem until your heating or cooling feels off. That just wastes money on energy bills. Another common slip-up is using too few or poor quality hangers, which lets ducts sag and get all messed up. Fixing this means adding enough supports that keep ducts straight and free of pressure points. The third issue is trying to patch up badly damaged ducts instead of replacing them. Ducts that stay crushed or kinked after a quick fix still block airflow, so it is way better to just get new flexible ductwork installed right away. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and ductwork fixes. Plus, if you are a contractor, it helps you find homeowners looking for reliable pros like you to get work done without the usual stress.